In our final trade of the day, Shawn Cruz of TD Ameritrade joins me now. He too is playing the Bitcoin trade, and he's doing it through an option strategy. Thanks for coming on the show today.
Yeah, thanks for having me. So I think Bitcoin's been popular. We recently started doing the SIBO Bitcoin futures rapid off those to our clients, but we're starting to see some other trades that are just related to blockchain technology. And one of those names is Riot, R-I-O-T. And the thing is, it's had a big move higher lately, a lot of just massive jumps. And so some traders are starting to think maybe that's getting overdone and they want to look to short that. The only issue is the shares are hard to borrow at the moment. So to get some of that bearish strategy implemented, they're looking at selling the 40 calls. And to go ahead and offset that risk, they're going to go ahead and buy the 45 calls. Just decent open interest there, so there's a little bit more liquidity than maybe at some of those other strikes in between. But it's an interesting trade we're seeing develop.
So in plain speak, that just means that those traders are putting a ceiling on that stock at $45. They anticipate that it won't go over that level in their option strategy for now. Let's take a look at FedEx. Out with earnings, had a very strong quarter. We are now, at that holiday time when FedEx gets a lot of business in the fourth quarter. What do you see happening for this stock? What is the options market predicting?
So it's been another interesting trade we've seen playing out. So they not only had a very strong quarter, we're looking like at holiday sales that are expected to do well. So that's definitely a tailwind. So we're seeing a lot of activity at that 240 put strike for traders that maybe want to look to get some sort of a bullish position in there if they do think the stock's going to continue its move higher.
What strike would you put on this one then? As maybe the ceiling or the floor on FedEx?
So I think the 240 strike is quite telling in that they think it's going to either move higher or at least remain above that level. Some traders want to hedge their downside risk in case there is a pullback, and to do that they might buy the 235 strike alongside that, but the 240 strike is definitely where we're seeing a lot of activity.
All right, good to have you in the show. Have a great trading day, Shawn.
Thank you.